So you can see where the citizens and the employees were attempting to restrain Mr. Bella.
Where's he at?
Right by the reception desk.
This
I
is
go in
the
this way or
body
this
cam
way?
video from arriving officers.
Gary, apparently I have him pinned down.
Stop this guy.
Bring his hand up.
We'll grab him. Over here.
You see him hit her?
Oh, he hit the receptionist really hard right in the
She
face.
hit her right through the fucking
Right in the
head.
face, knocked her all the way across the wall.
Push your gloves.
She ran to my office, that's why I ran out.
We got it, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Shit.
Did you just come in randomly or what?
Yes, up there. Came back to the attacked her and attacked me.
Push your gloves on.
Here, let's lay him on.
Yeah, because apparently he's.
We're gonna lay on your side, all right, man? We just got here, so.
Here, bring him up.
Do you need medical attention or anything, man?
You got him like he passed out. Push him this way.
Do you need medical attention?
Only time I've heard